Alright, reporting live from Michigan City. It's a nice, windy, breezy day. Go check out our little beach watcher over here. Whoa, look at these waves. This is some wild stuff. Oh, there he goes. He's off and running. I'm trying to catch up to him though. He's going fast. There he goes. He's going fast. Alright, we're gonna let him be on his way. It's definitely a new experience being out here. Well, I'm gonna be signing off for now. Hope everybody's keeping it cool and having a good time. And I'm out.